Hello everyone, my name is Guzat Kusyapova and I'm glad to see you in my lesson. So today's topic is about holidays and travel. In today's lesson, you are going to learn some new vocabulary related to holiday activities and sports, as well as learn the structure so do I and neither do I. So these words we usually use to agree with someone. It's quite formal way of saying me too or me neither. Okay, now let's start. Please take your student's book and open page number 29. On this page, you have an exercise number 1. Okay, let's start. In this exercise, you're going to listen these new words and repeat. Please repeat.
Whitewater rafting, bungee jumping, skateboarding, snowboarding, skydiving, motocross, rock climbing, hang gliding, snorkeling, whitewater kayaking, mountain biking, canoeing.
Okay, so now we have this task. Okay, now I guess you have already finished this task and now we're going to continue with this one. Here we have a list of sports, so this one, and under these headings you need to choose the right type of sport. For example, sports related to water, related to air and land. Okay, now after doing this task, you are going to watch a little bit about
holiday and travel.
Sports are great fun. They keep you in great shape, and they're good fun with friends too. But for some people, sports like football and tennis just aren't enough. These people enjoy extreme sports. They love the adrenaline rush. Let's take a look at some of the most popular extreme sports. Kite surfing. Kite surfing is a water sport that takes you into the air. You stand on a surfboard, but you've also got a big kite. The kite catches the wind so you move quickly over the water. It also means you can do amazing stunts. Mountain biking. Mountain biking is great exercise. You have the chance to cycle quickly down mountains, but it's much more than that. You get to enjoy the beautiful outdoors. Cycling in the city is so boring, when you can ride your bike in the mountains and through forests. Ice climbing. Rock climbing is a challenging sport. For people who want something more difficult, there is ice climbing. You use ice axes to hold on to the ice. Your boots have got big spikes to help you grip the ice too. It takes a lot of strength and hard work to make it to the top. Sandboarding. Sandboarding is a lot like snowboarding. The difference is that you are on the sand. It's usually a lot hotter too. Rather than snow-covered mountains, the action takes place on huge sand dunes. You can find the perfect places for sandboarding in deserts or at some beaches. One advantage of sandboarding is that you can do it all year round. Scuba diving. You do this extreme sport under the surface of the water. It's a great holiday activity. You can see life underwater. Swim with dolphins, whales, or even sharks. And you can even see old shipwrecks. It's the closest most of us can get to visiting another world. Skydiving. There's probably no bigger rush than falling towards Earth. You just jump out of a plane and let gravity do the rest. Before you hit the ground, you need to pull your parachute cord. Then you drift more slowly towards Earth. This is one of the most popular and most thrilling extreme sports. Whitewater rafting. Whitewater rafting is a fantastic experience. It involves teamwork and getting very wet. Jump in a boat with some friends and paddle down a river. Not just any river though, the river has got rapids. That means the water moves very quickly. It's a wonderful experience. Base jumping. Perhaps this is one of the craziest extreme sports there is. In base jumping, you find somewhere with a great height, a tall building for example, strap a parachute on and jump. You fall towards the streets and people below. At just the right moment, you release the parachute before landing on the ground. Would you like to give any of these a try? What other extreme sports can you think of?
Okay, great. Now, look at these words. So you might already know some of these adjectives that we have already learned during the first module. Yeah? Thrilling, dangerous, exciting, tiring, expensive, and challenging. Okay, now I'm going to speak about the structure so do I and neither do I. These phrases we usually use to agree. For example, I like snowboarding and you also like snowboarding. Rather than saying I like snowboarding too, you can just say so do I. It's thrilling, yeah. Or maybe you don't like snowboarding. No, I don't like it. So you can just say I don't. It's dangerous. The same with the negative form. I don't like hang gliding. When you don't like hang gliding too, you can just use the phrase neither do I. Neither do I. I don't like hang gliding. It's very dangerous. Yeah? Or maybe vice versa. You really like hang gliding, and then you can just say I do. I like hang gliding. Okay. Thank you. I guess it's clear for you. And please try to do this exercise, the following exercise, and see you next time. Thank you for listening, for watching this lesson. Goodbye.